Today, I'm going to share with you the absolute laziest way to start making money online. If you are looking to work smarter and not harder, then this method is just for you. Now, when it comes to making money online, we all want a passive income stream. Who wouldn't want to make money while relaxing at home or even just while we're sipping your favorite drink at the beach? But here's the real question. Where do you even start? You can take the traditional route and try something like selling products or creating courses. Or you could dive straight into freelancing without spending a fortune up front or investing hours into creating content. This lazy method is about working once and getting paid over and over again. So let me break it down to you. Step 1, find your niche. I remember when I first started out online, I was overwhelmed by the option. But here's the trick. You need to find a niche that not only interests you, but also has market potential. So grab a piece of paper or your Google Docs and write down at least 20 things you're passionate about. This could be anything from fitness, technology, or even personal finance, whatever sparks your interest. Once you've written down your list, take a moment to see where those passions intersect with profitable online services. This step helps ensure you're not just doing something you like, you're doing something that can actually pay the bills. If you're stuck, then no worries. I put together a free guide that can help you figure this out. You can find the link in the description or the comment below. Step number 2, partner with high-paying products. Now that you've nailed down your niche, it's time to find the best product to promote. You're looking for high-ticket items, products that offer you a big payout for every sale. Think $200 to $500, even $1,000 commissions. Why? Because these high-ticket items are where the real passive income potential lies. Platforms like ClickBank or Digistore24 are gold mine for finding these type of products. Simply sign up, browse through the marketplace, and pick a product that resonates with your audience. Once you have chosen your product, you get a special affiliate link. This is your magic link where you earn your commission every time someone makes a purchase using your link. Step 3, leverage traffic sources without being an influencer. You might be thinking, that sounds great, but I don't want to be on the camera creating content all the time. That's totally fine. You don't need to become an influencer or record endless videos. Instead, use platforms like YouTube where you can set it up once and keep earning. Here's how it works. Start by researching your niche on YouTube. Look for channels that are already performing well in your space. Dive into the most popular videos and jot down key topics. Then you can create your own video or blog post based on those ideas. Use tools like Jasper AI to help you write content quickly. You can even hire someone on Fiverr to create these videos for you if you really don't want to do them yourself. It's that easy. 5 side hustles to try. Here are 5 side hustles you can start today. No experience required. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn money online. You simply promote other people's product and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Whether you are in fashion, beauty, or tech, there's an affiliate program for you. Platforms like Sales a Share or ClickBank make it easy to get started. Number 2, start a blog. Blogging doesn't require you to be an expert. You can write about your passions, whether it's food, travel, or do-it-yourself project. Once your blog is up, you can earn money through affiliate links, sponsored posts, or selling your own products or services. Number 3, sell printable on Etsy. Printables are digital products you can sell on Etsy. From planners to invitations, the possibilities are endless. Once you create and upload your design, Etsy handles the rest. You can earn passive income every time someone makes a purchase. Number 4, sell products on Redbubble. With Redbubble, you can sell your designs on a wide variety of products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Redbubble handles the production, shipping, and customer service for you. All you need to do is create and upload your design. Number 5, online course creation. If you've mastered a skill, consider creating an online course to teach others. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to build and sell courses. Once your course is live, you can earn passive income from students who enroll. Step number 5, create evergreen content. The beauty of this method is that once you've created your content, it keeps working for you. As long as you set it up properly, your videos or your blog posts can bring in passive income for years. After you upload your content, optimize it with keywords that people are searching for. Be consistent by creating at least 2 to 3 pieces of content each week. You can batch, record, and schedule your posts so you're only working 1 or 2 days per week, but getting paid all month long. Step number 6, scale your earnings. Once you have a few pieces of content up and running, it's time to scale. Aim to create evergreen content that stays relevant and useful over time. With enough traffic and well-optimized videos or blog posts, you could be earning $100 a day or even more. All this by working smarter and not harder. Bonus tip, consider promoting subscription-based product. This way you can earn recurring revenue as long as people keep subscribing to the service. By following these simple steps, you'll be on your way to making money online without constantly grinding. If you are ready to start your freelancing journey, check out the free resources in the comment section and description below. So what method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more lazy but effective ways to make money online. Until next time, be freelantastic.